In this video, we're going to look at evaluating piecewise functions. We're given the piecewise function at the top. F of x is equal to negative 3/5 x when x is less than 1. F of x is equal to 1/2 x squared plus 3 when x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 6. And f of x is equal to 2 when x is greater than or equal to 6. So we're going to choose one of these expressions based on our value of x. So our first example that we're going to evaluate is f of 3. So when we say f of 3, that tells us that our x value is 3. So we will look at the given domains and we'll decide which of those domains does our 3 fit into. 3 isn't less than 1, so it's not this one. 3 isn't greater than or equal to 6, so it's not this one. This means that we'll be plugging our 3 into the 1/2 x squared plus 3, since our 3 value is in between 1 and 6. So we're going to take the 1/2 x squared plus 3, and we're going to substitute in for x our value of 3. So 1/2 times 3 squared plus 3. We'll follow the order of operations by doing the exponents first, then the multiplication, and then finally we will add. Here we need to get a common denominator. 3 is the same as saying 6 over 2, so we get 15 over 2. So f of 3 is equal to 15 over 2. We can also write this as an ordered pair, where x is 3 and y is 15 over 2. For our next example, we're going to evaluate f of negative 10. So we know our x is negative 10, and we're going to look at our domains again. We're going to look at this set of the problem and see where our negative 10 fits in. Negative 10 is less than 1, so we're going to use that top equation, and we're going to plug in our x into the negative 3/5 x. So negative 3/5 x is our expression, and we will plug in our negative 10. We can always simplify before we multiply. 5 goes into 5 once and into 10 twice. And then we have negative 3 times negative 2, which is positive 6. So f of negative 10 is positive 6. And again, we can write the ordered pair, if we want, as negative 10, 6. The last one I'm going to do is I'm going to evaluate f of 20. So this means our x value is 20. So we go back to our domains and we see that 20 is greater than 6. So that means our expression is just 2. Well, there's nowhere to plug x into that, so our value is just 2. So that would give us the ordered pair when x is 20, y is 2.